It's Miss Leah. I want to show you how to make a Jamboard. This is a really fun way we can share ideas together since we're not in person. So here is our Jamboard that you just saw the link for on the Google slide. So the question is, what is a balanced meal that you love to eat? So remember, a balanced meal means it's a meal that has foods from different food groups included. So you can take a photo of a meal that you had at your own house, or you could find one online and share it with us and add your name on a sticky so we can see that you were the one who shared it. So here's how you can add a photo. Over here on the left, you'll see this little picture. It looks like a couple mountains. You click that, and it's going to ask you to find the picture on your computer. So hopefully you've already saved a photo on your computer. And I'm going to browse and find it. Oh, there it is. Open. And it's going to add the picture to our Jamboard. So there's my picture. And I'm going to add a little sticky with my name. And I'm going to include some information about why it's a balanced meal. You don't have to do that. I know that means a grown-up really has to help you type. Maybe first graders could be typing this themselves. But if you want to share more about how it's a balanced meal, you can, or you can just put your name. I'm going to save that and move my sticky so that it's on my picture. Now, if we run out of space here from kids adding pictures, you can always scroll to the next slide and add there. So I hope to see some of your ideas on our Jamboard and have fun.